Remember him. Shivaji was a torchbearer in the dark night of slavery, a fighter who got the better of all difficult solutions, who slowly but surely increased his strength while giving fight to powerful enemies, who encouraged his commanders and fooled his opponents and, in the end, achieved his goal. He was a model son of a courteous leader, a skilled organizer, a benevolent administrator, a clever military strategist, a great warrior, a terror to the weak, a defender of a good, and an epoch maker. When one sees all these brilliant facts of his personality, one cannot say but to oneself bring the memory his wonderful image and remember his great achievements. हे तेज बाहर शिवाजी इधर आदर लाज शिवाजी तेज किला शिवाजी. Do you remember? Shivaji Maharaj had a great respect for saints and holy men. He honored temples. He also gave protection to masjids. He respected both the Bhagavad Gita and Quran Sharif. He gave protection to Christian churches also. He honored learned men. Paramand, Gaga Bhatt, Dundiraj, Bhushan and other learned men received his patronage. He bestowed great honor on Saint Karam, Samarth Ramdas, Baba Yakut and Mohini Baba. Hindvi Swaraj was a dream of Shivaji Maharaj. Anyone who lived in Hindustan, no matter what religion or community they belong, was a Hindvi. The Raj was Hindvi Swaraj. The religious policy of Shivaji Maharaj was liberal in campaigns. He never caused any harm to mosques. If he came across a copy of a Quran Sharif, he would respectfully pass it on to the Muslims. He never hated Muslims simply because they were Muslims. If a person who had changed his religion wished to return to his original religion, Shivaji always helped him. His brother-in-law Baji Naik Nimbalkar was in the service of Adil Shah of Bijapur. Adil Shah made him accept the Muslim faith. Baji made Bijapur his home. He lacked for nothing, but he was unhappy that he had changed his religion. One day, he made up his mind to come back to his own religion. Shivaji Maharaj welcomed him in the old religion. The story of Nitoji Palkar is similarly. His religion had been changed but wished to return to his original faith. Shivaji Maharaj accepted him back into his religion. High regard for women. Shivaji had ordered that the women and children in enemy camp were not to be harmed in any way during the periods of war. In fact, they were be treated with great respect. Yes, they would be treated with great respect. The bravery of Shivaji Maharaj and several occasions set the idol of how women were to be Retreat. The Maratha army had marched upon Bilwadi in Karnataka to vanish the fortress there. Malmama Desai, a brave woman, fought a great battle in defense of the fortress. When Shivaji came to know about her courage, he called her younger sister. Her younger sister means returned her forest and villages to her with honor and gave her the title Savitri. Who तेज तिलक तलवार शिवाजी यो शंभू रूप अवतार शिवाजी हो इधर आदर चचन लाज शिव केसरिया की लाज शिवाजी हो तेज तिलक तलवार शिवाजी ओ शंभू रूप अवतार शिवाजी हो इधर आदर चचन लाज शिवाजी केसर की लाज शिवाजी आडला कोणाला नाही युतीला मिनी हिती मुकाट वर फडकवला भगवा हत्ती मुगला पवसा राजा माझा सूर्य ऊन तेच होता राजा माझा हर हर कर गाजा 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 हर हर किला उभा स्वाज माझा विजय तिलक तलवार रहे मारी ममता हमारी ढाल रहे राज बचाना माती से कहे जीजा बाई शिवाजी से जब तक तू तेरी सांस रहे परधाड़े से कल बेकार रहे लड़ना जब तक प्राण रहे कायम प्रचंड स्वाभिमान रहे ए तेज तिलक तलवार शिवाजी ओ शंभू रूप अवतार शिवाजी धराधर जय जन लाज शिवाजी केसरिया की राज शिवाजी लड़ते गए कैलाशों के थे वो महालव कभी झुका नहीं लड़ता रहा वो शेर मराठा वो छत्रपति कभी झुका नहीं।